Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the types of organic reactions. So generally the organic reactions are broadly classified into four types. One is substitution reaction, addition reactions, elimination reactions, rearrangement reactions. What do you mean by substitution reaction? The reactions in which an atom or a group of atoms in a molecule is substituted by an atom or a group of atoms are called substitution reaction. That means in the place of one atom or group of atom, another atom or group of atom is substituted, then that reaction is called a substitution reaction. So for example, let us see here CH3Br plus NaOH. We are getting CH3OH NaBr. In the place of Br, what is there? OH. That means OH is replaced the Br, or Br is substituted by the OH. So that's why it is an example of which one? Substitution reaction. These substitution reactions are of three types: free radical substitution reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Whether a given reaction is free radical or electrophilic or nucleophilic, so that is decided by how the reaction is initiated. If the reaction is initiated by the free radical, then that is called free radical substitution reaction. If substitution reaction is initiated by the electrophile, that is called electrophilic substitution reaction. If substitution reaction is initiated by nucleophile, then that is called nucleophilic substitution reaction. So like that, the substitution reactions are classified into three types. And the second category is addition reactions. What are addition reactions? The organic reactions in which two molecules react to form a single product having all the atoms of the combining units are called addition reactions. That means there is no loss of any byproduct during this reaction. If two atoms are combining, so that two atoms are definitely present in the product molecule. If two molecules are combined to form a product, in that product all the atoms present in the two molecules are present. That means there is no loss of byproduct. That type of the reactions are called addition reactions. Let us see here. CH2 double bond CH2 plus Br2 gives rise to CH2Br, CH2Br. So totally 2 carbons, 4 hydrogens, 2 bromines are present. There is no loss of byproduct molecule. Such type of the reactions are called addition reactions. Here CH3 C double bond OH plus HCN is there. So here CH3 CH CnOH, only one product is formed by addition of these two molecules. So that's why it is also an example of addition reaction. These addition reactions are also will be classified into three types: free radical addition reaction, electrophilic addition reaction, nucleophilic addition reaction. Whether it is free radical or electrophilic or nucleophilic, that can be decided which one is initiate that addition reaction. If electrophile is initiate the addition reaction, that is called electrophilic addition reaction. If nucleophile is initiate the addition reaction, that is called a nucleophilic addition reaction. If free radical is initiate the addition reaction, that is called free radical addition reactions. Third one is elimination reactions. Elimination reactions means the reactions in which two atoms or group of a molecule are removed, then that called elimination reactions. See here, this is the molecule is given CH3CH2Br. From the CH3CH2Br, HBr is eliminated. So that's why it is an example of elimination reaction. So generally in these reactions, two atoms or group of atoms may be removed from same carbon atom sometimes adjacent carbon atoms of the substance. Whether it is removed from the same carbon atom or adjacent carbon atoms, The elimination reactions are classified into three types: alpha elimination, beta elimination, gamma elimination reactions. The fourth one is rearrangement reactions. In these reactions, migration of atoms or a group of atoms takes place from one position to the another position within the molecule under suitable conditions. That is called rearrangement reactions. For example, you can see here CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3 is there. N-butane is there. In the presence of AlCl3, there is a shifting of one methyl group to here. There is a small rearrangement which takes place within the molecule. So that's why it is an example of rearrangement reaction. Here CH2 double bond CH, CH2, CH3. Here the position of the double bond is here. The position of the double bond is here. Just a small change in the position of a double bond. That is takes place within the molecule. That's why it is an example of rearrangement reaction. That means these reactions involves migration of atoms or a group of atoms to the another position within the molecule under a suitable condition. Such type of the reactions are called rearrangement reactions. This is about the classification of organic reactions, that is substitution, addition, elimination and rearrangement reactions.